curious because we finally have Sabrina herself, owner of Sabrina Monte Carlo store. How are you tonight?
I'm fine, thank you.
So Sabrina, tell me, why you decided to connect your life with the fashion?
Because I was born completely in this fashion life with my parents. They have shopped since a long, long time, and I really love what I do.
So what is the best part of being in this industry?
I can dress a lot of women with a really nice dress, and it's a big satisfaction because it's always nice to see when they go out of the store, they're really happy that they can wear really nice things of fashion.
Tell me, why you decided to open a store in Miami after being open for 7 years in Monte Carlo?
I just love Miami. I'm in Miami. I live in Miami since 20 years, and the weather here is fantastic, and the fashion is good also. The girls are really nice, and they really love to dress, and it's a good atmosphere.
Actually, I visited this store a few weeks ago, and it's absolutely beautiful. If guys are gonna like any of this stuff today, you need to check it out. It's in Collins and Fifth, right?
Yes, exactly. We're on Collins 500, and we've just opened a few weeks ago.
Yeah, so tell me more about the experience working with celebrities.
It's nice. We had Beyoncé in the store, we had Paris Hilton, Nikki Hilton, a lot of celebrities, and they are really happy. They really love what we have in the stores. They enjoy it a lot.
Thank you very much, and I wish you good luck in the fashion show today.
Hey, got to go.